polarization. So today I discuss about some numerical questions about this topic. So I want to share my PowerPoint. Just a minute. Have you seen my PowerPoint, my dear friend?
Yes, sir.
We have discussed about the diffraction. So we have discussed about the about the what is polarization, what is double refraction crystal, and what is the double refracting behavior, double refraction, other ray of light, extra ray of light. You know very well, and we have to discuss about the Nicol prim. Nicol prim is very important to use as a polarizer and analyzer. Do you know about? Yes or no? Hello. So
Yes,
we
sir.
discuss. Yes, good.
Yes,
So
sir.
yes. So we have also discussed about the half wave plate and quarter wave plate. Quarter wave plate means thickness is so adjusted that the path difference between outer ray of light and extra ray of light is lambda by 4 and phase difference pi by 2. This is the quarter wave plate, and half wave plate is thickness is so adjusted between the outer ray of light and extra ray of light is that path difference is lambda by 2. Clear? Yes or no? So we have also discussed about the optical rotation. When light passes from solution, there is rotation takes place. There is a rotation of plane polarized light. So that is known as optical rotation, and we discussed about there are two types of rotation: extrarotatory, revorotatory. We have also discussed about the how can I produce the plane polarized, plane polarized, circularly polarized light, and we also discussed about the electrically polarized light. So I also discussed about the specific rotation. This is very important. Sometimes Janssen asks about the numerical question based on the specific rotation. A specific rotation, it is defined as if length is taken 1 decimeter and solution is 1 cc, then gram per cc, then theta is the specific rotation. So it is defined as S is equal to theta by LC when length is in, I hope this is in decimeter. If length is in centimeter, then specific rotation S is equal to tan theta by LC. L is the length of the tube, theta is the rotation, and C is the solution, concentration of solution. Anyone have any doubt to ask me? Otherwise, I proceed further. Anybody, anyone, you're not able to understand to ask me. Yes or no? Hello? Hello?
No,
Anybody?
sir.
Okay. So, I have discussed about the objective question. So, there is some numerical problem is also going to ask in animation. So, I want to discuss about some numerical problem to try to solve them and then tell me answer. At last, when you give your answer, then I discuss about the solution of that question. Clear? Yes or no? Firstly, you solve them and tell me the answer. Then last one, I tell you, I have solution, I have solved all the questions. So I have make PowerPoint. So later on, I'll tell you the answer. Any doubt, any question to ask me? Otherwise, I am going for the numerical problem. In the Gyanmesa numerical, we ask you, numerical we ask, and MCQ question we ask. So you keep in mind about numericals. Anyone have any problem? Neha, Shivans, Prajjal, okay, Rama. So I am
No,
talking
sir.
about the next question. Yesterday I discussed by one question. Yesterday I discussed this one question. I calculate the thickness of quarter wave plate of quartz for sodium light of wavelength 5,893 angstrom. The refractive index for of E ray and O ray are equal and is equal to 1.5533 and 1.44. So the solution was for the quarter wave plate lambda is equal to 4 mu E minus mu naught. So we have solved this. Then solve this one, then thickness is 1.62 into 10 power minus 3 centimeter. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hello. I hope everyone has. I hope
Yes, sir.
I hope everyone has calculated. Numerical is very important. So try to solve numerical. If any problem, you tell me. Okay. Okay. Yes or no? So for second question, again I proceed for second question. Calculate the thickness of quarter wave plate. Again, I want to talk about the calculate the thickness of quarter wave plate if refractive index of order ray of light is 1.658 and refractive index of extraordinary light is 1.486 and the wavelength of light is used 5890 angstrom. So tell me the answer. You understand? What is question? Question asking about the thickness of quarter wave plate. Refractive index is given for order ray of light and refractive index given for light and wavelength of the light is given. So tell me what is the answer. Do you get my point? Rama? Rama? Rama, do you get my point? Hello? I'm audible?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
audible? Yes. Okay, let's solve this.
Sir, 8.43 into 10 to the power minus 5
Okay.
centimeter.
I tell you when I solve the question, okay? Kindly solve, all students have solved the question, then I discuss about the answer, okay? Don't worry. Yuraj Walia. What is the answer, Yuraj Walia?
Sir, 8.43 into 10 to the power minus 5.
Okay. What is, okay. What is the unit? Unit is what? What is the unit?
Sir, centimeter.
Okay, kindly wait. I waiting for the answer of another one.
Sir, 8.66 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 centimeter.
So 8.6. Adit Kumar. Okay.
Sir, 8.56 into 10 to the power minus 5
Yes,
centimeter.
Centimeter.
8.56, but my
Sir, 8.56 into 10 is to the
Sandeep,
power
kindly,
minus 5
I get math
centimeter.
from Sandeep.
Yes, sir.
I get math from your background.
Yes, sir. I was speaking, sir.
Anyway, Rama, what is your answer, Rama? Rama, what is your answer?
sir, I
Anyone
am
more?
also getting 8.56, but my answer is negative.
10 power?
8.56, but
Into
my
the-
answer is negative.
No, answer is not negative because you have taken the refractive index greater to minus refractive index lesser. Okay.
Yes,
Answer
sir.
is not negative.
8.56. I was having a mistake in calculation.
Okay. Vanshika, what is your answer? Vanshika. Vanshika, do you get my point? Do you get my voice? Vanshika. Vanshika. Vanshika, do you get my voice? No. Okay, Vidhi, what is the answer?
Sir, 8.56 into 10 to the power minus 5 centimeter.
Very good, very good. Rama, what is your answer? Rama, what is your answer? Oh, it may be. Neha, what is your answer? Patra? Patra?
Yes, sir.
Parth,
So one
yes,
second,
what is the
sir.
answer?
Yes, sir. 1 second.
I will solve it.
Yes, sir. Almost done.
Okay,
Thank you.
Kushal Jain. Kushal Jain.
Yes, sir, same answer, 8.56 into 10.
Okay, good. Arman, Anand, Arman.
Sir, 8.56 into 10 to power 7 minus 7 meters.
Good. Minus 7 meter. Okay. Park.
8.56 into 10 raised.
Nikita, what do you answer? Nikita, do you get my voice? Nikita, do you get my voice? No. Vansika, do you get my voice? I'm audible? Mr. Satvik. Sahil Jain.
Yes, sir. I'm getting 8.56 into 10 raised to power minus 5 centimeter.
Okay, so, and this is about this one, very good. So this is answer, 8.56 into 10 power minus 7 meter minus 5 centimeter, okay? So, you have to know how can calculate this value. We know that lambda is equal to, T is equal to lambda divided by 4, mu naught minus mu e, mu o minus mu e. You know this value, I have taken the value in meter. Value is mu o is given 1.658 and mu is given 1.486. So I solve this, lambda divided by 4 minus mu o minus mu e. I solve this, then we get the value 8.56 into 10 power minus 7 meter. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt to ask me? Anybody have any doubts? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay. So I proceed for next question. What is next question? Calculate the thickness of half wave plate of quartz for sodium light. Of wavelength is given 5 into 10 power minus 7 meter. The refractive index of external ray of light and outer ray of light is equal to 1.5533 and 0.5442. So you calculate the thickness of half wave plate. The value of lambda is given and the value of refractive index of outer ray and external ray of light is given. So tell me what is the answer. Yes, do you get my point? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yuvraj Walia, I am audible?
Yes, sir. You are
Yes,
audible.
sir. Sir, 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 5 meter.
2.74 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter.
So 1.62 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter.
You know why we get such a difference in answer? Value is same, formula is same, then why we get different answer? Kindly recalculate your answer, okay? Kindly check your answer. Yuvraj Walia, what is your answer?
So it is 2.74 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter.
Sir, I am getting same, sir.
Yes, sir.
Neha?
2.74 into 10 raised to power minus 5
Sir,
meter.
2.74 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Neha,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
kindly
sir. Same.
calculate your answer. It may be some mistake, no problem. Maybe. Bidhi, what do you answer, Bidhi?
Sir, 2.74 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter.
Yes, Vansika, do you get my voice? Vansika? Rama,
Sir, mic's not working.
my mic is not working.
Her
Hello?
mic is not working.
Okay. She is able to, my voice is, she is audible my voice to him?
Yes, sir. She is written in the chat that her mic is not working.
Jasandeep, what is the answer? Jasandeep.
Sir?
Yes, Arman.
Is the answer 1.620 into 10 to the power minus 5 meters?
I tell you.
So mine is also same.
Oh yes, Neha. Good. Why this is don't worry. Jasandeep, what is the answer?
Sir, 2.74 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter.
No, we are getting two answers.
The answer is 2.74 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 meter.
Sir, I think
So I am
they are
getting
using the
2.72 into 10 raised to the power minus 5.
Rama, you know, I call you number time, but your mic was not working.
Sir, I don't know what the mic was glitching. There was some glitch.
Sir.
Oh, yes.
Sir, I'm getting 1.6. Sir, I'm getting 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 5 meter.
1 point. Anyone more? Vansveer is here. Vansveer is here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Vansveer, tell me what is the answer?
So 2.27 into 10 power minus 5 meter.
Okay. Sankeet, what is the answer?
So 2.74 into 10 to the power minus 5.
So I proceed further. Anyone left? I hope everyone saw this question. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you know I proceed for answer. Answer is 2.7 into 10 power minus 8. You can check your answer if you are doing mistake. You know lambda is what is T? For the half wave plate, T is equal to lambda upon 2 mu E minus mu O. For lambda is 5 into 10 power minus 7 meter, it is given. The mu E, refractive index of external light, is given 1.5533 and refractive index of other light is given 1.5442. Yes or no? It is given? It is given, yes or no? So thickness T is equal to
I think it should be minus 5 only.
Yes, sir. 10 raised to power minus 5.
It's minus 5, sir.
I just check. Okay, don't worry. I just check. Okay, don't just wait. 5 into 10 power minus 7 divided by this. Well, this is correct.
So in the second last step, where division is taking
the
place.
second last step. So the last calculation.
Here, yes, sir.
What is this value?
It will come 274 something, sir. 274 into 10 to the power minus 7. Then we'll convert it to 2.7 into 10 to the power minus 5.
5.
Yes. It will 5.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I check your answer?
Yes,
Just,
sir.
Yes.
If I
Yes,
check
sir,
your answer,
it is 10 to the power minus 5.
Okay. 5.
Yes, sir.
You know this is correct. 5 into 10 power minus 7 divided by 0.182. Is this correct?
Yes, sir. This is correct.
Just I calculate. Just a minute. I want to calculate. Okay, just a minute. Okay. Because I want to use the mobile phone for the calculation. Just a minute. Kindly wait. Okay. I want to make calculation. Just a minute. Yes, this is the minus 7 minus 2. Okay. Value is 274. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Value is 274 point something. So 2.7 is, you know, we take this one, this is plus 2 and plus 2. Okay, 6 minus 7. Okay, good. Good. Thank you. Clear? Have you clear answer? Yes or no?
Yes.
Anyone have doubts to ask me? Answer is yes. No. Why your answer is different? Have you checked your answer? Neha?
Sir, I'll check.
Where is Swanam? Is your calculation
Sir,
or
I
in my?
think so. She is using the quarter wave plate formula, sir.
Okay, it may be. Neha, it is sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is problem. Don't worry. You know it is half a plate. Clear? So I want to proceed for next question. This question is again I am talking about the 20 gram of cane sugar dissolved in water to make 50 cc of solution. A 20 centimeter length of solution causes 53 degree 30 minute optical rotation. Calculate the specific rotation. This is important question. So I discuss here. This is a very important question. calculate the specific rotation. Specific rotation, yes. Do you get the formula? And tell me what is the answer.
Sir, 66.87.
66.87. What is unit?
Sir, ये तो अल्फा है डिग्री.
Yes, this is not alpha. This yes. Okay. What is unit? This is specific rotation. This is equal to theta divided by LC.
Yes, sir. Mine is coming 66.87.
Okay. What is unit?
Theta degree, sir.
Anyone of more? Who's given this answer?
So 66.9 degree.
Yes, it is coming this only. 66.87.
Sir, 66.25 degrees. Sir. 66.2.
So 66.54 degree.
66.54 degree. Okay. Jasandeep, what is your answer? Jasandeep, what is your answer? Jasandeep, what is your answer? Jasandeep. Rama, what is the answer? So, Shekhar, what is the answer? Shekhar Vasisht.
Sir, 66.25 degrees, sir.
Anyone more?
Sir, 66.87.
66.8. Okay. Rama, what is your answer? 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 Oh. Vansveer, what is your answer? Vansveer.
Sir, her mic is not working.
Okay.
She's saying in the chat. Rama.
Rama, okay.
6.68.
Okay, she has sent chat. Okay, I will check the chat. Check the chat. Shantanu Raj. Shantanu. Hello. Adit Rajput, what is the answer?
Calculating.
Calculating. Good.
Sir.
Vidhi, yes.
66.62.
Vidhi, what is your answer, Vidhi?
So 66.25.
5. Babya Singh, what is your answer?
66.62.
Okay, so I proceed further. Answer is 66.87 degree. Is correct? You know what it is?
Yes, sir.
As you know, specific rotation is equal to tan theta by LC because we have taken length in centimeter. Okay. You know, and length is 20 centimeter. So length is taken centimeter. So theta is given 53 degree 30 minutes. What is the value of this one in degree? The value is 53.5 degree. Yes or no? Hello? Hello, do you get my point?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you able to get my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is C? C means concentration. Concentration is given that 20 gram of cane sugar is dissolved in water to make 50 cc of solution. So you know concentration is gram per cc. 20 divided by 50, so that 0.40 gram per cc. Then specific rotation is equal to tan theta. Theta means 53.5 divided by 20 into 0.4 degree. So what is this? Value is 66.87 degree decimeter per decimeter per gram cc. Yes or no? If it is telling me where you are in mistake, where you are in mistake, how many has given correct answer? Tell me. Hello? Answer is correct or not? Tell me. Hello?
Yes, sir.
How many given correct answer? Who has given the correct answer? Yuraj, are you correct answer? Are you given correct answer?
Yes, sir. This was my answer. 66.87.
Okay, good. And what is your Bhavya Singh? What is your answer? Bhavya Singh?
62.
62. Where are doing mistake?
Calculation mistakes.
Okay, calculate. Adit Rajput. Adit Rajput.
Yes, sir.
What is your answer?
So 66.25.
Why the difference? Then tell me. Can you check your answer? It is correct or not? This value is correct. 66.87 is correct or not?
So it's correct.
Correct. Then why do a mistake? Can you check your answer? Vidhi?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
So 66.25. Sir, I did calculation mistake.
Yes.
66.25.
So why are you doing mistake? Can you check your answer again? Repeat your calculation.
Okay, sir.
Tell me where is the problem, okay? You get my formula? You get my formula?
Yes, sir.
Hemang Bhatia? Hemang?
Yes, sir.
Hemang, what is the answer?
Sir, I'm getting 66.23, I guess.
Why you are doing
calculation?
mistake? Where? Kindly check your answer. Hiren Sani? Hiren Sani? Hiren, can you tell me what is the answer?
Sir, I am taking out, sir. I did calculation mistakes, sir.
Mr. Kusal Jain. Kusal Jain.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is the answer?
66.2.
You are doing mistake.
Yes, sir. I will cross check once again.
So you know this is the answer. Answer is 66.87 degree per decimeter per gram cc. Next question. Again, I am talking about the next question. A tube of sugar solution 20 centimeter long is placed between nickel prism is placed between the Nicol pins. If the optical rotation is 30 degree and specific rotation is 65 degree per decimeter per gram per cc, so determine the strength of the solution.
सर
Yes.
सर इसमें सर वेवलेंथ तो गिवन ही नहीं है.
Yes, the wavelength is not given, but you have to solve the question, okay? Without wavelength, wavelength is not given, so what's problem? You solve the question without wavelength. Mohit, do you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Tell me answer. Solve the question. Tell me the answer.
Sir, C is equals to 0.1 gram per centimeter cube.
I don't know.
Sir, 10 gram per ml आ रहा है sir.
Sorry?
So
Yes.
10 gram.
10 grams आ रहा है.
10 gram per ml.
0.1 gram per centimeter cube.
0.1 gram.
Sir, 1 gram.
Sir, 0.1 gram. Sir, 0.1 gram.
Okay. Good. Nibir. Can you tell me what is the answer?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is the answer?
Sir, I'm still not getting it.
Sudiksha Sarma.
Yes.
What is the answer, Sudiksha?
सर जो सी है वो 10 ग्राम्स निकला, भी आंसर निकाल रही हूँ.
Okay, solve the question. Tell me the answer.
Sir, is it 1 gram per liter?
1 gram per liter? No. Can you check your answer, Mr. Naman? Can you check your answer?
1 gram per liter आ रहा है.
Okay, I tell you. Vidhi, what is the answer, Vidhi?
Sir, 1 gram per liter.
1 gram per liter. Answer is given cc. Gram per cc. Okay, Vansika, do you get my point? My voice? No. Rama, she is also not getting my point. Sami Chaudhary, what is the answer? Can you tell me?
Sir, 0.1 gram.
0.1 gram per.
Who's telling 0.1 gram per cc?
Sir, Parth Bansal.
Anyone have more?
Yes,
Anyone
sir,
have more?
0.1 gram per cc.
Okay. Adit Kumar, what is the answer?
Sir, 0.1 gram per cc.
Shivan Sharma, what is the answer?
Sir, 0.1 gram per cc.
Anyone more want to give an answer? Anyone?
Sir, yes, after rechecking, I get 0.1 gram per cc.
Why 0.1 grams per cc? Okay. Anyone more? Bhavya Singh, what is the answer? Bhavya Singh?
0.1 gram per cc.
Okay. So I want to discuss about the answer. This is the answer. 0.1 gram per cc. You know what is specific rotation? A specific rotation means S. S is equal to tan theta by LC. S is given 65 degree, theta is given 30 degree, and L is given 20 centimeter. So what is C? 65 degree, 10 divided by 30 degree divided by 20 to C. C is equal to 10 multiplied 30 degree divided by 20 into 65. What is the answer?
Sir?
0. Yes, what is the answer?
Sir, हमने 10 से क्यों multiply करा है?
Hello, yes?
Sir, why have we multiplied by 10?
Divyam, sorry, what is telling?
Sir, I'm asking why have you multiplied by 10?
You know, I tell you in the formula of specific rotation, I tell you there are two formula of specific rotation. Specific rotation is equal to theta by LC when L is length of tube is taken into 1 decimeter. Clear? Yes or no? When you convert decimeter, when you consider your decimeter into centimeter, so S is equal to tan theta by LC. If you put length in decimeter, so you take the formula only theta by LC. If you put the length of tube in centimeter, the formula is tan theta by LC. Both are same. Okay, Divyam, this is your question.
Yes, sir.
You are able to understand why you taken tan theta?
Yes, sir. Now I do.
Okay. Yes, because if you taken length in decimeter, then theta by LC. If you take a length in centimeter, so it will be equal to tan theta by LC. Clear? So this is the C. I have considered the value of C. C is 0.1 gram per cc. Clear? Yes or no? Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Anyone have doubt? Somebody gets more than this value. Can tell me who's telling more than this? Many people have given answer in 0.1 gram per cc. That's correct. Okay, but many people have given different answer. It's simple. You know, if you saw the numerical, so you could keep the value in same unit. Okay, clear? Yes or no? Vidhi, Sivan Sharma, any doubt? Anyone? Hello. So I proceed further for next question. Any doubt? Anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So I proceed for next question. Tell me the answer. Calculate the specific rotation if the plane of polarization is turned through 26 degree 15 minute, traveling 20 centimeter length of 20% sugar solution. Again, I repeat the question. Calculate the specific rotation if the plane of polarization is turned through 26 degree 15 minute, traveling 20 centimeter length of 20% sugar solution. It is of a specific rotation.
So 65.62.
65.62. Okay. Anyone more?
Sir, 65.62.
65.62.
Yes, sir.
Anyone more?
65.62.
So 65.62.
Okay. Divyam, what is the answer? Divyam.
So 65.625.
65.625. What is Mr. Jasandeep?
Sir,
Jasandeep.
65. Sir, 65.62.
62. What is the unit?
Sir, degree decimeter inverse gram per cc inverse.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Anyone more? Where is Jasveer? Sorry, Vansveer. Where is Mr. Vansveer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Vansveer, tell me the answer.
0.6562 आया है.
What? 0.
Sir, answer. 0.6562.
Can you repeat your calculation, Mr. Path Bansal? Can you
Yes, sir.
repeat your calculation? Yes, Neha, Rama, your voice is Sudiksha. Sudiksha,
Yes, sir.
tell me what is the answer?
1.32.
1.32? No. We are doing mistakes, Sudiksha. We are doing mistake. Mihir, what is the answer? Mihir. Prajwal, what is the answer? Prajwal.
Sir, I'm just calculating the final thing.
Tell me what is the final result? Adit Rajput.
Sir, 66.25.
66. Where you are doing mistake, Sudiksha?
सर वो एक्चुअली 20% की जगह मैंने 10% ले लिया था तो इसलिए बहुत कम आ गया था.
How can you take 10%? You are 20% given on question. So you know question is displayed on the screen. Sudiksha.
Yes sir.
Question is displayed on the screen.
सर आपकी आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है.
Okay, question is displaying on screen. Question is displaying on screen. Hello.
Sir,
Sudiksha.
Yes sir, आपकी आवाज बहुत ब्रेक हो रही है.
Oh. You know, you have seen my question on screen. Numerical question.
हाँ, yes sir.
Now my voice is clear.
हाँ, yes sir.
So you know anyone more? Otherwise, I proceed further. I solve this question. Hello, Mr. Satvik. Where is Mr. Satvik? Satvik.
Sir, my answer is coming 65.62 degree decimeter inverse gram per cc inverse.
Okay. So I want to proceed for answer. You know this one. Answer is this one. You know formula is tan theta divided by LC. What is theta? Theta is given 26 degree 15 minutes. So what is the value in degree? The value is 26.4 degree. Clear? Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Theta is 26 degree and 50 minutes, so 26.4 degree. 50 minutes is counted degree, 4 degree. And C is given 20%, so 20 divided by 100.2 gram per cc. Length is given 20 centimeter. So the tan theta means 10 multiplied 26.4 degree divided by 20 into 0.2. What is the answer? Answer is 66 degree per decimeter per gram cc. Answer is clear, but no one has given such answer.
सर 15 मिनट्स है अगर तब तो 0.25 हो जाएगा ना वो 26.25.
Yes sir, 25 होगा ना.
हाँ.
सर
just
थीटा की कैलकुलेशन रॉन्ग है तो
15 minutes 1/4.
Yes sir, 0.25 हो गया ना.
0.25, yes, actually 4.425. Yes, this is 0.25. So answer will be 66.65. I have taken fourth part, but I repeated fourth. Actually, it is 25. Fourth part. Fourth part means 1/4. Okay. I have 1/4 part. I written here 1/4. Okay, no problem. What is the value? 65.62. 65.62. Anyone doubt? Because I have taken 1/4. 1/4 means 25 degree, 0.25 degree. Okay. You know, it is no, it is not correct. Just a minute. Hello. Degree means what? 1 minute was 60 degree. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
1 minute was 1 minute was 60 degree.
Yes, sir.
1 minute is just a minute. I want to calculate. Just a minute.
Sir, 1 degree is of minutes.
Hello, just a minute. I'm calculating. 1 degree was 60 minutes. So what is this? What is the value of 15 minutes in degree?
So
Sir, 0.25.
0.25. One upon 4, okay, 1.4, okay, good. 1.4 means 45 degree. So next question again, I proceed for next question. Any doubt to anyone? Clear? Because 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. So 1 minute equal to 1.60. So I calculate this value for 1.4 means 25. Any next question? Any doubt to anyone? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay, next question. Next question is a sugar solution of 20 centimeter produces length of 20 centimeter produces optical rotation of 13 degree. The solution is diluted to 1/3 of its previous concentration. Find the optical rotation produced by 30 centimeter long tube containing the dilute solution. There are two solutions, you know. There is two solutions. One is 20 centimeter length, 30 degrees rotation. Another is 30 centimeter long. And find out the optical rotation for second case. How can you solve this question? Do you get my point? Hello? A Seger solution in tube of length 20 centimeter produces optical rotation of 30 degree. The solution is again diluted. Diluted means concentration is 1/3 of its previous concentration. If it is diluted 1/3 of previous concentration, then find the optical rotation produced by 30 centimeter long tube containing the same diluted 1/3 diluted solution. Tell me the answer.
So 6.5 degrees.
Yes, sir. 6.5 degrees.
Yes?
6.5 degrees.
6.5 degrees.
6.5 degree. Okay, very good. Very smart. Very good. 6.5 degree. How many students answer this question? Who has given the answer to this question?
Me.
Me.
Divyam Chatta. Divyam. Very good. And?
Me.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
Thank you.
Yuvraj, what is the answer?
Sir, 6.5.
Very good. Very good. Very smart. Very smart. Anyone have any doubt to ask me? Anybody have any question, doubt? Hello. Anyone have any doubt to ask me?
Excuse
you
me,
know
sir.
What taken? We taken first one is theta1, length is L1 C1, and second is length is theta2. Sorry, length is L2, constant C2, and angle is theta2. What I want to calculate? The optical rotation produced by second tube. So theta is equal to theta1 L2 C2 divided by L1 C1. L1 is given 20 centimeter, L2 is given 30 centimeter. It is given that the ratio is 1/3. C2 by C1 is 1/3. And theta1 is given 13 degree. Then what is the value of theta2? Theta2 is 6.5 degree. Okay, anyone have any doubt to ask me? Any doubt, anyone? Can you tell me answer?
Excuse me,
Hello?
sir. Sir,
Yes.
sir, have you added this PPT in LMS?
Hello?
Have you added this PPT in LMS?
Why? Are you not studying here? Why I'm teaching you? If I want to, LMS already there is PPT are uploaded.
No, sir, for revision for this.
Okay, revision. So I write down a copy and make practice. Why I'm teaching you? If I, what is need of teaching you?
Okay, yes, sir, yes, sir.
You are study here. Write down on a copy and make practice. Okay. It
Yes,
is for
sir.
you, not it is for you, not for me. I have taken what I ask you. You write on everything and try to solve the question. Okay, this is my point.
Yes, sir.
There are many numericals given on your books. Try to solve the questions. Do you get my point, Mr. Kusakjan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you focus first. When I take in the class, so you should be sincere. Write down question. So I take time to you. You to solve the question and tell me the answer. If you have any, I also given solution of every question. I given the solution of every question. Every question I give a solution. So that firstly you solve the question. If you are not able to understand, then I solve the question. In spite of all this, if you have problem, you have to ask me. Okay, Kushal, you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any doubt?
सर
Otherwise,
लेकिन रिवीजन में पीपीटी से काम आ जाते हैं.
Hello, yes.
सर रिवीजन में पीपीटी की जरूरत पड़ जाती है सर.
You make notes, okay? You make notes also.
Sir, I'm making notes, but if something is left, then it is faster to use.
Okay, I will do.
नोट्स में सर कुछ छूट जाता है.
Okay, I will do. Okay. Numerical problem. You try to make many questions solve. Books in the book there are many questions. Try to solve the question. If you have any problem, you ask me. I try to upload my PPT on your LMS. LMS is given. PPT is given. I also uploaded. Okay. If I get time, then I upload it. Okay. Clear? Hello. Today evening I uploaded. Any problem, Kushag? Hello.
No, sir.
Today evening I have uploaded this PPT on LMS. Okay, IMS team. Okay. No problem for me to upload it. Okay. So Jasandeep.
Present, sir.
Rama. Dibyam.
Present, sir.
Mohit.
Present, sir.
Shekhar Vasist.
Present, sir.
Sahil Jain.
Present, sir.
Vansika.
Sir, she's present. Her mic isn't working.
Okay. Vidhi.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Okay.
Present, sir.
Shivansh Sharma.
Present, sir.
Shivansh Sharma.
Present, sir.
Hiren Shani.
Present, sir.
Shamir Chaudhary.
Present, sir.
Sudiksha.
Present, sir.
Yash Kapoor.
Present, sir. Yash Kapoor.
Vanshveer Singh.
Present, sir.
Sanket Chandra.
Present, sir.
Neha.
Present, sir. Sir, Rama is also present. Her mic is not working.
Parth Basra.
Present, sir.
Adit Rajput.
Present, sir.
Satvik. Adit Kapoor.
Present, sir.
Adit Kumar.
Present, sir.
Prajwal Goswami.
Sir, present, sir.
Santanu Raj. Naman.
Present, sir. Naman.
युवराज वालिया,
Present, sir.
तुषार जैन,
Present, sir.
निकिता शर्मा,
Present, sir.
प्रगति मेहरा, प्रगति not here. Arunit, Hemang Bhatia,
Present, sir.
Ariman,
Present, sir.
Rachit Malik,
Present, sir.
Aryan Sharwa, Aryan,
Sir, Aryan.
okay. Nibir,
Present, sir.
Parth Bansal,
Sir.
Bebasi.
Present.
Present, sir.
Today in the evening, I will upload this PPTR or LMS team. Okay, clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, thank you all of you.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, Rama is also present.